A day at the beach. Last Sunday, my family and I went to the beach. We left home in the morning. The weather was sunny and warm. The sky was blue and the sea looked very beautiful. We found a place to sit under the shade of a tree. I took off my shoes and walked on the sand. The sand was soft and warm under my feet. The sound of the waves was calm and peaceful. Children were building sandcastles near the water. Some people were swimming in the sea. I also went into the water. It was cool and fresh. After swimming, we collected seashells. They were different shapes and colors. My brother flew a kite. It went high in the sky. We laughed and played together. My parents took photos of us. In the afternoon, we ate the food we brought from home. We had sandwiches, fruits, and juice. While eating, we watched the sunset. The sky turned orange, pink, and purple. It was very beautiful. When it became dark, we packed our things and went home. I was tired but happy. That day at the beach was very special to me. I will always remember the sound of the waves and the beauty of the sea. I hope we can go again soon.